Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change audio language in Netflix. First of all, you can open the Netflix application. I can already open the app. After logging into your Netflix, you can see the different movies. Here you can select the one movie. I can select this movie. After selecting the movie, you can now tap on play, and after tapping on play, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. You can see the option at below the movie, that is audio and subtitles. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can see the option audio at the top left corner of the screen. You can just simply change the language here, and you can select any language that you want, or you can honor of subtitles. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.